In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a general website inquiry form. First step, go to your admin panel. On the left side menu, click on Forms. Click on Add New Form. Options of form types will appear. For this video, we will use the Contact Us type. You will see the form settings. Give your form a headline or name. I'm going to use Contact Us as the form headline. You can add an introduction to your form on this text editor. You can also add images or videos here. This section can also be used as the form description for your own reference. You can switch that by choosing here. Do you want the person to see the above description? Either yes, I wrote it for them, or no, it's just for my own reference. Break this form into multiple steps or pages. Let's choose no, since inquiry forms are usually short. Form theme color. Choose what looks best with your logo or whatever you prefer. I'll show you where the color goes on the live form. You can choose to redirect the person to a web page by putting in the URL here, or you can put a thank you message after submission. You can add images and videos here too. Or you can do both. The thank you message or redirect message will appear first, and then the page will be redirected to the web page you entered here within a few seconds. For the email options, you can choose whether to send a copy to the person submitting the form and their answers to the email address that they entered. Yes, email the answers, or no, don't send the answers. An option to send an email template is available too. This option can be used to send the confirmation email that you received their inquiry and that you'll get back to them shortly. Then here you can set who among your staff will the emails be sent from. For the tag and workflow options, you can add tags to anyone submitting this form. For this inquiry form, we will put the new lead tag to anyone who submits it. You can also add them to a workflow, such as an inbound inquiry workflow, to nurture the leads. If you have a MailChimp account and you want anyone who submits this form to be added in any of your MailChimp lists or groups, you can do that here. But first, you need to connect your MailChimp to your Ninjodo account if you haven't yet. You can do that by going to Admin Panel and then Integrations. Now for notification settings, you can set whether the form is live or still a draft by choosing here. Either yes, let people use it, or not yet, I'm still editing. Now this is where you can also set who should be notified from your staff when the form is submitted. The notifications will appear as pop-ups on the right bottom part of the screen. Now when you're done with the settings, click on Update Form. Remember that you can always go back when you need to edit anything there. Now click on the title of the form you just created. You will be taken to the preview of the form where you can also edit the pages and questions. If you scroll down, you will see where you can create questions. Now let's type here name, and then from the drop down of types of answers, it should be set to type your name. Click on the check icon to save it. Now let's add here a question. Let's add email. And then from the types of answers, let's choose your best email. Answer for these two questions should be mandatory. Click on check icon. Let's add a question for contact number. And then let's choose short answer. And then lastly, let's add message and then longer answer. That should be all the questions that we need. Now let's check settings again. And let's make sure that it is live. Update form. And then click on View Live. Now this is where the form theme color goes. That line and this button. Let's do a test submission. This is the thank you message. Now let's go back to my Ninjodo account. Refresh. There's the notification. If you click on it, it will take you to the record and you will be able to see their form submission. Now that your form is live, you can grab and use this URL to link to the form from your website, emails, landing pages, etc. However, because this is your Contact Us form, you will likely want to embed this into your website. You can grab the copy and paste code from the search panel. If you search on forms, you will see an article on how to embed Ninjodo forms. You can also see more Forms Go stuff here, or you can reach out to the help desk if you need a bit more guidance.